Yeah, assalamu alaikum. Yeah, hello everybody.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, Professor.
Hello
Good
everybody.
evening.
Yeah,
Professor,
how are you? Wow, happy new year. Hopefully the new year can be health, wealth and prosperity for all you in all around the world. No, in all around Uzbekistan. Really nice. And wish all the best for your people and wish all the best. Hopefully snowing, hopefully raining. The best quality of weather in the world can be your share. Okay, good. And today we are going to first a very short course we will have, but might be long, I'm not sure. Yeah, today I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. Are you ready for the questions? Okay, today I need your knowledge. Please share your knowledge with me. Also, yep, Rabia, first I'm gonna tell you the links you shared with me via the YouTube, yep, to me broken because I don't know why it doesn't work with me at all. Then perhaps if you send it to a person as the admin of the group, uh, who can manage it. Okay, very good. So yeah, guys, please record the video for the next generation. Okay, now let me go to a presentation
işi
time.
puan.
Okay, so now let me go to the presentation time. Okay, let me send it. Go to the presentation. As always, I have problem with presentation. Okay. Everybody can see it?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much for your good news. Yeah, for today, it is from data to discovery. We are going to discuss about the data to discovery and how research fuels engineering design. Yeah, if all you can mute the microphone, I would be very happy. Yeah, okay, thank you so much. But if I have a question, please unmute it and please speak it because today I need you a lot. And please, really help me with this course of today. As you know that, I promised you, I start a class at 7:15 to all you can join the class. Okay, now this is something you will see, and this is my question. If we were designing the next Olympic racing bike, or a safer, friendly car, where would you start? As a guesswork and the evidence? Yeah, please explain me.
Well, to be honest, I would start from learning the type of racing laps,
Mm,
the roads, I mean.
mm.
So by evidencing on the roads, we can just, how can I say? So that's it, I guess.
You're, come on, you're saying, you're telling nicely.
How was it in English? I can't find it.
Definitely, you're thinking in English and you're not sure that is right. You're telling right things. Yeah, very nice. Mention that point. Really, I love it. I love your idea. Oh,
Thanks.
okay, anyone else? Very nice development and really nice improvement of your friends. Okay, good. Very good. I love it. And anyone else?
Uh, so I would actually start
Please.
with questioning at more detailed, more smarter question that would actually guide me to what to research or what to make.
Much better. Much better. Okay, anyone else?
I remember the word, Mister.
Okay, what was that? Okay, go ahead. Microphone with you.
If we finish the analyzing the types of roads, and after that we can just adapt the car to these roads. Adaptation.
Okay, adaptation. Okay, I have a basic question to all you. And today we are going to hear it from you, not from me, because I don't know about that part. Simulation. Does it work to help you to design? If yes, why? If no, why? Okay, help me please for the simulation.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Using simulation can help you to design or not. If yes, why? If no, why?
Of course, I guess simulation will definitely help to design the car, uh, whatever which type of the car is, because um, why it's better because instead of building the real car, we can simulate it without spending uh, much.
Yep. Okay, it could be one thing. Another item, please. Another person to
In my
mention
opinion,
another.
we can just make it more advanced by simulating. I mean,
Why?
trying.
Why? If you said no, also my answer was why. Okay. Why?
If we simulation is kind of testing on it, right?
Simulation, I don't know. You simulate something. I don't know. Please, if any one of you can explain it, I would be very happy to share your opinion about that part. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Or
Okay.
model, like,
Aha, about the modeling. Yeah, nice. Very nice, nice, nice. But what is simulation? Our problem is okay. Nice, very good. Okay, let me give you something. Then going to go. You will see. Just we are in the first slide, and I told you today we have a little. The number of slides today is really limited and not much, but we are going to speak about them. Simulation. It means we are going to visualize some items, not physically, virtually, via the computer, and try to calculate and try to manipulate some forces on it, like the animation. Did you get? Yeah, it means no need to design anything, no need some handcraft, no need physical modeling, everything virtually via some software. That's it. Nothing more, but that is very difficult. It means for sketching something, at university, first year of university or year of school, by paper and pen and ruler, but then nowadays manage it by computer. So this sort of design definitely, as you mentioned, save our time, save the material, and also going to closer to the real model. So the risk of accident and the risk of repeating the test getting lower and lower. Then once we train it, then we train the machine learning, call it machine learning then. Now we have some simulation, they repeat the test. Once insert the data in it, then you change it to machine in the machine learning. So nowadays via the AI, we can do it. Now let's go to next slide. Yeah, for to just you will see, just we are at the beginning of today. Wow. Yeah, you will see that for the first item today, hopefully, I'm not sure, we are going to manage this part. Yep. Connect the research analysis to real engineering. Sorry, everybody can see this or no? Oh, as usual. Let me. First, okay. It is, okay. Now disappeared, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I should really stop sharing, then go for that part. I have problem with that one. I think need to go to some classes to learn how to work with it. Okay. Okay. And how about now?
Still.
First page or second page?
Second. Now it's good.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, hopefully, then we will see. Once we are going to the next page, okay, good. I have to ask you. It means slide, and for each blinking of my eyes, I have to ask you, okay, can you see it or no? Okay, good. So thanks, technology. This is okay. Connect research analysis to real engineering choices. You see, I told you for the meaning of simulation, we are going to really make the bridge between them. So when we have this, we should avoid repeating some tests, avoid really wasting materials and wasting our time. First, gonna tell you in the workshop in the lab, we are learning, for example, for the composite materials. That's my field of study. Also field of teaching and the area of still also I'm for myself still I'm learning about from you and from people. First we are going to really try to manufacture something, when we are going to build something. So that's okay. Sometimes we are going to build something, then destroy as a test. So technically, we have to waste materials and we have to waste our money as well. But yep, someone really agree with me, someone disagree with me because they said that the university is the place for try and error for the students. Might be they can learn, and this is only and only place for them to learn how to build and how to manufacture and how to fabricate. So the place of fabrication and try and error can be university. And other people said, okay, nowadays the world is getting changed and everything the faster, getting faster. So it means that university and also the students, it might be better for them to learn how to use a computer and how to use the software, to use the simulation. Yeah, the second one you will see the interact with simple simulations to test ideas. Today, we are going to together, I'm going to introduce you some softwares, and those softwares can be really valuable for you to simulate something. Even you can simulate in advanced technology and in advanced really levels, for example, the car accident. You have the procedure of the car accident and also about the forces, about the distribution of forces into the body of car. So it helps the engineer to modify and improve and boost the area and parts of the car. So yeah, today we are going to very small and very, very quickly going to talk. But yeah, in English they said the sentence after but is important. So, but I have some assignments for you, and by the assignments, I encourage you try to go to YouTube or I don't know about some platform like that to learn how to work with the softwares with some the application. Or also, you're the generation of AI. You can ask. I don't know what's the name. I remember really for the Apple, it has name Siri. Then they can manage it. I don't know. You can ask your AI to teach you to really show you the way of how to simulate something easily. Might be she can or he can help you. I don't know, he or she. So yeah, then launch the mini projects. Yeah, that's why I told you. And for fourth one, I'm not pretty sure. Might be we are going to postpone it and send it to our next session about something like the analytical problem solver. So okay, good. Now we are going to next slide. Everybody ready? Next slide. Can you see?
Unfortunately.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, very nice. Okay, good. Now stop sharing, skip it. Okay, so much advance. Then please tell me and let me know how to avoid this part. You know, sometimes I'm dealing with this really funny things. Okay. Yeah. That won't work. But I want to see that this is using the modern technology. I want to use that one. Now, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, you mean that not go to the slideshow? Yeah, for the presentation. I'm going to the basic one. Okay, good. Now it is my question. What would you have happened if they just kept adding more metal without researching the cause? What do you think about that? For the building, for the cars, and something like that. Do you have any suggestion for that matter? Do you have anything to answer it? Yeah, but it is strong. Okay, anyone else?
Kinda engines of cars or bikes would be much lower than nowadays. And also, for
Yeah,
example, okay.
yeah. Continue. I love it.
For example, in buildings, if they kept
Oh,
adding
yeah.
just more metals, it would be kinda rude, as we say.
Yeah,
Can't find relevant word, but wouldn't be comfortable rather than now.
yeah, yeah. Okay, but you know, this is, I don't know, the old generation, they thought if they use metal and make it heavy, it must be better. Let me share some really my opinion of my dad with you, and my dad's not here, and please do not laugh at my dad, really getting angry. Yeah, why are you laughing at my dad? Okay, without knowing that matter. I brought the adapter, the charger for my father's mobile phone. Okay, brought him. Okay, that this is the fast, the first generation of fast charger. You remember? Then my father really tried to wait. No, it is light. It's not okay. So I don't know really how to deal with the really ideology like that. If it was 1 kilogram or 2 kilograms, maybe it might be really nice for my dad. This is. Did you face this story I shared with you? That people thought that if everything heavy, it can be better.
Yes. For
Yeah,
example, I
yeah.
can give example of nowadays. Just your flagman phone. If it's
Aha.
heavier than other one, then it might be much comfortable or much better.
Yeah.
A simple example.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyone else? Yeah, yeah, I agree with you. Anyone else?
Um, as laptop's case, we can say that it would be pretty great if it was light to carry it everywhere with you. If it was kind of more heavier,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
would
yeah.
be a case of not using that much.
Yeah, yeah, very nice point she mentioned. I remembered something about the Dell Latitude I had. I'm not sure. You can Google it. Might be the weight of it was around 7 kilogram. Really, really heavy. Really hold my backache and hold my back. Just I think because of carried that heavy laptop for I think 6 years. Yeah, it was really heavy. I don't know really why they thought that. But anyone else? Okay, if you don't have any experience, then I need solution from you. Need a solution. Okay, good. So you see, we shared some experience about the way of laptop, about the charger adapter, and now solution. Let me tell you. Okay, good. Then, for example, a person like my dad wants want to choose the charger, the charging adapter first weighing, then wanna buy it. Okay, in easy language, how we can justify and how we can say that person or those people, okay, yeah, the way it's not sure that is the best one. Okay, how we can say this? Yeah, I agree with you. And let me tell you something, not you, all you. Yeah, please. Now we are going to change the opinion of them, change the idea of them, because the role of university and the role of our class is to change the opinion. So how we can change the opinion of them? Mhm. Yeah. Anyone else? Nice, love it.
We can do some research about the other type of metals or other matters that can be used instead of heavy materials,
Okay.
so that we can show them the results, like same efficiency but with a better quality of um, convenience.
Yeah, efficiency. Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? If no one else, I want to say something. Okay, good. First, back to the basic. When they ask you a question, please back to the basic. What was the basic of it? The basic was about the charging adapter. Okay. I don't know. Maybe my father was looking for with different functions, once fighting with my mother, when I throw it together. I don't know about the function of the adapter for my father. Yeah, but technically, when we are going to buy an adapter, the functionality is to charge your mobile phone faster. Okay, good. So, Dad, it is heavier. It is something nice for you, but we are looking for something to charge it faster. Okay. We should identify the function to the people, to real function to the people. Also, you're gonna say if it is heavier, it is overheating. Then the electricity consumption is getting higher. The fathers are really sensitive to the lights. Turn off the lights always. So for that case, I think can be good. Yeah. Now, what's your opinion and how we can add to that part? Nice, nice, very good. Agree with you. Anyone else? Okay. Now we are going to next slide. Okay. Oh, how can I read it? Difficult. Let me make it much read it. Even I can't read it, really. But you are young and you can read it perfectly. To me, and from my eyes, not really well. Oh, it is the out of the frame. Much better. Okay, good. Now readable. Okay, good. Engineering doesn't start with drawing. It start with a question. You remember, really, for the previous slide, I brought you a question. Then, after that, then we will find some solution for that part. The Millennium Bridge Wobble, this is located in London. Yeah, definitely. Not the people really first, okay, buy some brick or something like that, try to build it. No. First, they are thinking how we can design it, why we can design it, where, and some questions. You remember WH, a group of people try to manage something. So the problem really, really for the dramatically an opening day, you will see we have to manage everything together. We should discuss together to solve the problem. The research question, you know that it is a why this happening. Why we should even sometimes for some bridges are necessary. Might be we should really use the tunnels. So digging tunnels, really much better than for the bridge. So here we have to really try to careful about that part. Sometimes really sitting is much better than standing. Standing is much better than walking. Okay, so no, sometimes we don't need anything, do anything. So the nature can solve the problem. In some areas, you will see some lakes or some the rivers. Human came in for the really build some bridge. But unfortunately, they changed the nature, they changed the ecosystem. So sometimes really building and digging not recommended. So always why and WH questions really why this happened. It's very important. For something, for the data we collected, yeah, can be some video footage. Yeah, the video footage, it could be something like we have the bullet. Once we have a bullet, or when some car accident happen, the video footage can help us to for simulation and to see the fact. And also the frequency of footsteps. That's very important to see that and count it about the footsteps. For example, we are going to level one, level two. Yeah, we should see the which level and which second and which really for the step we are in. The wind speed, that's really crucial, that's very important. If the winds wind wind speed the wind speed is limited, or wind speed really really slow or something like that, the weather getting steady and dune, so technically we will see the air pollution. So that data also is necessary. By extracting data of wind speed, you can calculate by yourself about the air pollution. Yeah, there are something, or we gotta face it. And discovery, yeah, you will see that for synchronize the pedestrian football created resonated vibration. You will see, wow, very very nice. Really, we go for that part. Yeah, yeah. For that part, for the footballers, they are. You know that they those days they are using some GPS system for calculating the some blood circulation, also for the heart of them. Moreover, how much or how many kilometers they really run. Yeah, they're using like this. Or redesign. Really, sometimes we are doing something, for example, as a dampers to the cars and everything. Then we will see the accident. So we study all the dampers, and we studied, okay, we should make it stronger or lighter, or combination of both. So redesign is not bad. That's a key. That's a key of braveness of engineer. So the engineer once design anything, do not say it is the best in the world. You should say it is my best at that time. So tomorrow you will get it better. Have a look at this loop, please. First, the WH questions, asking about anything. Then do the research. Then analyze it. Then design it. Then test it. Once tested, you will see, wow, a lot of bugs, a lot of errors. Then refine it. Then redesign it. Again, test. Then you will see. So for designing anything, please do not say it is the best and this is the last. No, it is your best at that time. Okay, now going to next one. I don't know it is work or no. Oh no. Yeah, can you see it? Oh, again, small. Even I can't see it. But small, yeah? Yeah, yeah, very. To me, it's small. You are young. For you, a little bit. For me, really. Okay, I think adjusted. Yeah, adjusted. I think. Okay, good. So technically, can't make it really make. I have to use magnifier. If I couldn't read more, read best, please help me to read it. Okay, yeah, because my glasses not for reading, for far. Okay, why use simulation? Yeah, now reach to that point. Why use simulation? Because it is safe. Yeah, When you are doing some simulation, this is just your eyes getting in danger, your eyes only, because you have to fully concentrate on the screen. And then there is no smell of the chemical compound. There is no really some impact. For example, when you are doing ballistic impact, the tensile test or the bending test, no need for preparation. And also the result is so fast. Oh, okay, sorry, not so fast. It depends on your processor's speed. It depends on your computer speed. So yeah, please careful about that part. If you are using the advanced simulation, you need fast computer. Then the computer should be the processor would be the age of it, not more than 5 years, and the RAM, the minimum should be 16. There's something you can find it easily. So here we will see you will see to make the some processor to process something to make it, we need computer. So the computer as well, providing the computer can be one of our issue. So if you want to say that this is a negative side of simulation, is it is pricing. So sometimes we will see by the computer we are going to buy, oh yeah, we can waste whole materials in the world, then we achieve the result much better. Okay, might be my result is really funny, and the next generation is watching my video, they say, okay, it was a crazy man. Okay, the visual, yeah, the gears, I think there because of the visual mind of you, you love it. Yeah, you will see that for the see the invisible forces like airflow or pressure. You know it to manufacture and to build and to fabricate everything. We have another factor, the airflow, or the pressure, or sometimes the gravity. So there's some hidden elements I shared with you, airflow, pressure, or might be the, what call you, gravity. So these three items, you can calculate it and you can see it. Yeah, it must be really funny once you are going to do that. Some software here you will see the something like the forces and motion. You will see the net for the some aerodynamics. We have the FoilSim you receive by NASA as a junior. Yep, here you can find a lot of simulation softwares online. And if you're doing something online, so no need there, even by the mobile phone, I think you can do that. I'm not sure. I haven't tried yet. So you can manage by this by type of as well. So no need to spend huge amount of money, tons of your beautiful money to buy the advanced computer. So technically only and only use the online, big online, soft online really websites. They showed you something. That's why here we are going to do something basic. If anyone interested, then I don't know, you can manage it by your own. Okay, yeah. Okay, it is my time. I gonna sleep. No, no, not sleep. Stay and also listen to your beautiful voices. So, what does that force arrow present? Sorry, mm, represent. Yep. Can you tell me about that part? Yeah, yeah, one of them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. Anyone else?
Gravity.
Can that also be air resistance?
Yeah, yeah, yep. Nice, nice. Very good. What else more?
Newton's laws.
Pardon?
Newton's laws. There
Oh,
are
yeah,
several.
yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, yeah, we see a lot of items here we have. What else more?
The lift suddenly drops just because of its weight.
Sorry. I don't know about the second one. Now, still we are in the first part.
Ah, sorry.
No problem at all. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nice answer. What else more? Mm, I love it. Yeah, what else more? Yeah, also can be some resistant. The resistant of the object into the atmosphere or in the surface might be. Yeah, you see a lot of for the errors, force arrow. Yeah, might be show the some represent some the forces in different directions and show that as you mentioned that correctly. Okay, handsome boy, go for next one, please. First lift for you. Handsome boy, where were you? About the lift, you love it. Hello, hello.
Can you explain this, please? Why
Uh,
does lift?
yeah, yeah. For why does the lift suddenly drop? Hopefully, never ever happen to you that part. You are in the lift, or in American English, call it elevator, and suddenly that's drop into the box of it, into the shaft hole, into the shaft. Then, okay, just let me know why does happen. Broken. Yeah, yeah. And in a standard lift, I think in the really in the down, they should use some heavy springs. Yeah, have you ever seen this? Yeah, yeah, it's nice. It's very good. No. That dropping is nice. The safety first. The safety first. It means putting the spring nice. Okay. Yeah, it means there's some rope or some chains there. Once the chain broken, the chain, then this is the cabin that dropped. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Please do not experience that part. It's not good and it's not health. It's not good for your health. Yeah, you know that you're in the lift and do something. Just you can drop an apple and enjoy it. Do not do anything else like this. Anyone else?
No.
Okay, let me tell you something. Disconnection of electricity. Yeah, yeah. Does it happen? Can be one of the cause.
Cause of drop?
Yeah, yeah.
I guess no, because as we move upwards or downwards, we will be in different types of airflows, as you know. So as we
Mhm.
enter or as we down, we're gonna feel it. So that's why we experience this.
Oh, really? Have you experienced?
In lifts, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Elevators.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, why not?
No, no. It's a drop. Suddenly dropped to the shaft. You know that this is a hole and suddenly dropped. That action, I mean. Have you experienced that one?
No, no.
Hopefully never. Hopefully never. And really, I don't know. I think the roof can be really the dangerous place to the bottom. I'm not sure really. Yeah, we should study on it. So you see, we have something about the force arrow, and then we are going to next slide. Okay, next slide for you. I'm not sure. Okay, good. It means this is assignment. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Okay, good. So I think this assignment, uh, because it is two parts, so we need two of you, at least two of you, yeah, together do it. And then I need it also everything available online. You know, this is some websites here you receive. Yeah, this is my suggestion, and do not think they are the best in the world. Okay, please, please. Do not think that something I'm sharing with you about the materials of teaching and also the websites of NASA I recommended you is the best in the world. No, no, please. Everything is not the best. They are the something I found it. So when you Google it, and for sure you will find a lot of good things, definitely better than mine. So we need something from you via your friend AI to manage something for yourself. And then for next class, I will see your research and your simulation start. Oh, another part also, you will see the another assignment. Here also give you the another assignment. Second assignment is a bit short, but the sorry, it should be second. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. This is the second one. It sounds a bit short, but for the first one, no. First one is a bit long. Then please do it together for as a teamwork. Please do it together. It is my suggestion. Okay, because this is a lot of questions for today, and we are going to enter very important item as a simulation. I have to review it together, really chunk, not really whole in one. I'll give you a lot of items and a lot of questions in your mind. So today you see that just 8 slides, but a huge explanation. And thank you very much for your explanation. Now, do you have any question about the teaching of today? You have 2 slides, and I will share it to the group, the slides. Okay. then you can enjoy it. After that, for next class, we will have some simulation how you're gonna start it, and please ask AI to help you much to that matter. Then please come to the presentation for next class and teach everyone and also me about the simulation. Okay, any question from the class? Okay, let me now stop sharing,
There
and
is no question from my
definitely I will
side,
send the.
but um, I guess there was one guy who did the presentation the last time you gave him a task, I guess, about data engineering, and he sent
Haha.
the presentation to the group, but he left because he had a lesson starting from right now, I guess.
Okay, good. So how we can enjoy the presentation of him?
Can someone open and share it to the meeting?
If you can, yeah, can be nice. Why not? Yeah, we will see that something modern. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Yeah, we are going to see everything modernized. Yeah, really the virtual offline presentation. Yeah, virtual offline presentation. Yeah, or online offline presentation. Yeah, could be a lot of new words here we're sharing together. Yeah. Okay. Now, please share it with me. Then can be enjoyable. Share it to the group, please. Sorry, share it to the here. We will see the Google Meet. Then we will enjoy it. Oh, something moving. Okay. Excuse me, it is on mute. I can't listen.
Sorry, but um, should I just turn the slides um just putting the next slide or something because I'm not familiar with the slides as I'm not the
Okay.
author of.
Okay, no problem. You can prepare it for our next class. Is that okay?
Um, for this slide,
Yeah, but today you can you present it today or no?
uh, is not mine.
Okay, good. And who wanna present it? I need someone to present it. Okay, good.
I can just read the what is written here.
Okay, no, thank you so much. Yeah, you're on the way. Yeah, I think
Okay.
I
Um,
think enjoy the road can be much become much better. Okay, so I don't know really for a person, lovely person. I remember. Yeah, please try to find him and ask him to join us or present it or record his film and post it to our group. Then it could be nice, you know. I think
oh
really,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
and
I think,
then I will ask him about recording
yeah,
his
yeah, yeah, yeah,
presentation.
yeah, yeah. Also, his beautiful face as well. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Do you have any question? Beautiful
Personally, I
girls,
don't have.
handsome boys. Don't have any anyone else? Okay, thank you. And tomorrow, no. Next week, in Sunday, hopefully, inshallah, we will manage our class. And just please let me know about what time we can start it. Then we can enjoy the our next class. Our next class, step by step, we are going for the simulation. And kindly Google it. Try to find everything about it and enjoy the AI and GPT, chat GPT, yeah, I'm telling it right, yeah. Then it can be very helpful, really gonna teach you a lot of good things. Then try to present it to everyone. Okay, thank you so much and see you next week. Thank you, and salam alaikum. Thanks everyone. Thank you.